Ladies, I'm so excited. This is my first time getting the Louis Vuitton agenda inserts. I have the agenda book. I think I've talked about it before on my channel. And look, I finally got the inserts. I am so excited. You do not need the inserts to go with the book, but I wanted them and I've been looking at them for years on and off. I normally make my own agenda inserts, but this year I just wanted to get a Louis Vuitton insert. These are the two agendas that I use during the year. I might also use a third one that is more financial related, but I use my Coach. I will talk about that in a few minutes. Let me focus on the Louis Vuitton. This year's theme is basically vintage travel. So each year they have a different theme. This fits the Louis Vuitton medium agenda. It's about 149 pages. It starts out with, I'm not sure what this little section is, but it also has a recap of the world history. And I'm happy to see that Juneteenth was included. And it's all about the spirit of travel. So the pictures are very vintage. It reminds you of the vintage posters back in the day. All right, this is a weekly section. It's in military time, and I need to add a monthly calendar. That's just for my personal use. We can't expect that a calendar is going to meet the needs of everyone in the world. So this is just a starting point if you want to look something a little different. I love the stickers. They're very beautiful because I like the vintage theme. And I like looking at the vintage trunks and just the travel. I'm all about travel. All right, let's get started. My subby wanted to see a flip through. Here is my agenda book. So inside, I have Leave a Little Sparkle. And, I didn't tell you guys about this charm. I got this from So Crafty Sanaya, and I just love it. I love her channel. It's all about budgeting. And it's so pretty. I like the chunky ones. All right, let's look inside. I got this from Etsy. And inside I just have a picture of me and hubby. Put the agenda inserts in my notebook. And I'm going to show you how I have fixed it up a little bit. I'm going to add to it. And I will have to come back and show you later. But I don't know what I'm going to do with these. These are the holidays. I will probably use that. And here is for January. And I just added some stickers. I'm a sticker girl. I like stickers and notes and all that kind of stuff. But this is just a little overview of what I'm going to do. I'm going to add to it, change things out to make my agenda work for me. All right, and I got these Tiffany blue stickers from Etsy. Can't remember the seller. All right, and I've added other stickers. I think these are from Michael's. And then I also got a to-do list from Etsy. I don't remember the seller. But I'm sure if you Google search LV, you'll find all these stickers. All right, and then I believe in 8 streams of income. So there's just a reminder of things like that. And the FIRE movement is the financial movement, retiring early. And then I have some notes, and I'm trying to read so many books, and I keep a log of that. And so my agenda just works for me. And the things I like, here's a picture of me and hubby. I have some gift cards. And then I have these really cool envelopes, cash envelopes. I love to save, believe it or not, and I love using cash envelopes. And I believe this is from Shonda. I will put it in the description or on the screen. I just love them. They just represent a variety of Black women, and I just love it. So ladies, this is my agenda book, and I will add to it and maybe share. If you're interested, just let me know, and I will just share with you my progress. And this is where I got my stickers from. All right, this is a subby request, ladies. You wanted to see my prayer journal, and a prayer journal is just a book or journal that you keep based on your scripture reading and devotion. Everyone does it a different way, but this is mine, and so I'm going to share what I have, and I don't know how everyone else does it. Habits I'm trying to keep during the year. I start my Bible scripture January 1st. As you can see, I'm doing Matthew 5:9 on the 1st. I define the word, then I try to get an understanding of the word, and then I write out how I'm going to apply it to my life. I have a prayer list that I keep, and I just do the same thing every day. Every couple of weeks, I have a check-in to see where I am spiritually, were my prayers answers, that kind of thing. After I do my devotion in my journal, I do Bible journaling, which is more art-based. And I just, whatever the Lord leads me, I read the scripture and I draw something creative or paint, things like that. So it's really that simple, ladies. If you Bible journal, let me know how you do it in the comments below. Or if you have your agenda, do you do your agenda a little differently? Please let me know in the comments section below. Okay, and my last planner is my financial planner. It's an old saying that says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This is my money planner right here. Every year I make a list of what I want to do, where I want to go, everything. After I plan, then I make sure my money is in order. Ladies, I work. I have a side hustle. I have a business. I'm married. And so my money situation is different than some people. I have stocks in every handbag company that I purchase. And so I'm hoping that I'll get that money back to me in a roundabout way by the time I retire. And so every year I plan for a Louis Vuitton bag. I plan for my vacation. I plan for adventures that I want to do within the year. And then I plan it out. How am I going to do it? How am I going to achieve it? What is my money going to be like? I save. There's trips I want to go to, places I want to go. And I try my best to every year get close to whatever that dream is, that vision is. And so that is how I'm able to afford luxury and do luxurious things. So my finances. So that's my third type of agenda. And it's just a simple Amazon notebook. And I just track my money. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. This year, ladies, I need to get to 500 subscribers. And I need your help. Until next time, bye.